Grace's kitchen.
Goodness, we have the Grinch.
Watch this, kids.
Whoa, Grace did all this by herself. Kids, this is my house, Summerfield, and this is awesome.
I am not too thrilled about this cute gingerbread house.
Hi, kids. Welcome to Gus's Funhouse. Today we have Mr. Grinch.
Oh my goodness, we have the Grinch Ginger Cookie House. That is awesome. I know, it's so cool. Look, that's awesome, and it has Max on the top. That's really cute.
He's a dog.
I know, he's the cutest.
He put his head in a reindeer head.
Yeah, that's true. Grinch put a little reindeer horn on his head.
It's funny.
And look at Grace's necklace. How cool! Ginger
Gingerbread.
cookie bread. And she has her bowls of ginger cookies and her pants. Show your pants. They're so cool. That's
Gingerbread house.
adorable. Okay, let's do it. Let's start, Grace.
Yay!
Yay!
Woohoo!
Open it.
Okay.
Wow, it's so cute.
Look at all the things that it came with. That's so cute.
Look at this blue candy.
Ooh, I
It's
think
so
that's blue,
shiny.
blue sugar, Grace.
Yeah.
And all that candy. Look at that candy. Looks like light bulbs and little Christmas stuff and some gummies.
Some gummies.
Gingerbread house.
Gingerbread house.
Okay, let's
And
do it.
something- This. Papa got this.
Oh, those are the light bulbs, I think.
That's so
Yeah.
light.
And you can eat them.
The lights?
Yeah.
Okay,
Edible.
let's do it. Let's start.
Let's
Okay.
start.
Okay, kids, so we're ready. Are you excited, Grace?
Yeah.
Okay, so we opened the bag. Look, Grace. And we put all the icing inside. So now we're going to put it on the tray, which is this one, so we can put the gingerbread on it. Okay, let's do it.
Let's do it. Now let's put
The cookie.
the cookie.
Okay, let's do it. I think we could do the big one first, which is this one. We're going to put it right here.
Right here.
See?
Cool.
Ooh, that's nice. You saw that, Grace?
Yeah, it's nice.
Okay, let's put the sides now. I think we could put a little bit of icing on that.
Watch out.
Watch out.
You're gonna break it.
No, you're good. There it
Okay,
is.
let's put the other way.
Let's put the other wall. Here we go.
You can do it. You got this?
Yeah, I got this.
Nice.
Nice.
Here it is.
Oh. Okay, so this is the Who Bill house. So now we get to put the stickers or the boards in the back. Let's do this.
Let's do the Mr. Grinch.
Which one? Oh, Mr. Grinch.
Mr. Grinch.
Oh, yeah, that's true. I'm forgetting Mr. Grinch. Okay, let's put the interior of the Who Bill house. Okay, so now let's put the bottom.
Put the bottom.
There we go. And then the chimney, we're gonna have to put the chimney on.
Let's put the chimney on.
Okay. Grace is gonna take out the Grinch and we're gonna put him in here.
Grinch has to go to get the presents, to steal them.
Okay.
I check up.
Good enough?
Yeah, let's squeeze it. Put pressure on it. Okay, so it's time to put the door. Grace, you wanna put the door on?
Door.
Yeah, I want to do it.
You're gonna put it? Alright, put it in the middle, on the bottom. Push right there. Good job.
And the door is
How
not.
cute. Okay, Grace, put Max on.
The roof, right here.
The roof.
The roof.
The roof.
Yeah, you can do it. Right there.
Nice.
And she's so funny.
He looks funny, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna put some frosting, okay? To decorate. So here we go.
Now we're gonna paint the walls.
Yeah!
It's looking good so far, baby.
It's cute. Okay, let's do the string of the light bulbs.
That's the cable for the lights.
That's
Christmas
cable
lights.
for the lights.
For the Christmas lights. That looks cute, right, Grace?
Yeah.
That's really cute.
Now let's put more cables on the roof on the second level.
That's really cute. I'm not gonna lick it.
I will lick it.
No!
Yes, I'm going to lick it because it's yummy.
Oh no, Papi's gonna eat it, Grace.
Papa, don't eat it, please.
Papi's going to be the Grinch.
Oh no. Okay, now let's start opening the candy.
Yay!
Hey, Grace,
she's
you
eating
stole the candy.
The decorations. Oh, the candy. Oh my gosh.
We have to decorate first.
I think we have a baby Grinch over here. She's eating all the candy.
Oh no. Are you a Grinch? Okay, let's put some lights. Get a light, Grace.
I'll get the 2 lights.
Yeah, put it on the string.
I get a card.
Oh, looking cool. Christmas lights.
Christmas lights.
Christmas trees.
Huh?
This is a Christmas house, ginger house. You're funny, Grace.
I'm funny.
Yeah, let's put some light bulbs here, Grace.
In the
Light
front
bulbs?
wall.
I like light bulbs.
Yeah,
Me
they're
too.
cute and yummy. Just don't eat them all right now.
Watch this, kids.
Whoa.
Whoa, what are you doing? Whoa,
What
whoa,
Ooh, cool Christmas lights.
whoa. Nice, Grace.
Yes, super nice. Super nice.
Yeah.
Super, super, super.
Super, super, super. Super nice, right? Watch this, kids.
Whoa. What was that? It was like a bullet flying around. That was funny.
That was funny.
Start.
We're gonna put lights here too. Grace, what are you doing?
I'm trying more.
You're trying to put more?
Yeah.
Okay.
It looks colorful with a lot of lights, kid.
Yeah.
Looks cute.
That's cute.
The gingerbreads, they look so cool. It's like a big family. Oh, Grace's kitchen.
Grace, don't eat the candy.
Hey, you're eating the
Don't
lights.
eat the light bulbs. Ew! Look at your mouth. Ew! Okay, so now we're gonna put these on. Grace, you have to put them here, okay?
That's not to eat the lights. It's nasty.
Yeah, the lights are actually pretty nasty, guys. You don't want to eat them, right, Grace?
Yeah, we ate them, the gummy.
Yeah.
Yes, go gummy.
Let's go see on this side. Yeah. The gummies are good, right, Grace? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
What? Another one?
Is that good?
And go.
Okay, let's put some greens on it so it looks nice and festive.
I do love this.
Oh, that's a cute one, Grace. Good job.
Good job, Grace. We're gonna put more
So
red.
hard. They're so tiny.
I know.
So tiny.
Yeah.
But they're pretty cute.
Yeah, they're pretty good.
Yeah, looking nice. Look at the edge of the roof.
I
Oh,
know.
so cool.
That looks cute, right?
Let's put more here.
We're putting some more decorations on the first level.
Kids, look, the leaves.
Yeah, they're so cute, right? Whoop, dropped the light.
The Grinch is not too happy. Because it's looking nice, that's why.
We're putting more greens on the other side. Grace is helping me on the other side, and I'm doing this side.
We're doing this side too.
Yeah, good job, Grace. Thank you. It's gonna look really nice.
Oops.
Wow, that's a lot more. It's looking better now, yeah.
And I finish.
Oh, you finished? Wow, Grace, you're fast.
Whoa.
Look! Wow,
Grace.
Grace did all this by herself. Good job, Grace. How cute is she's putting all their little red dots. Aww. Let me put some here.
Good job, Grace.
Good job, Grace. Okay, kids, this is the hard part because we have to put the sugar on the top. So we're gonna sprinkle it, okay, Grace?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it over here and then you can do it. Whoa, I don't know if it's gonna
raining.
stay. Oh,
It's a rainy day.
oh gee.
It's like snowing, blue snow.
I know. It's like hard to put it on. Woo.
You girl have fun.
It's a rainy day today.
It's raining. Sugar, blue sugar. Okay, we're gonna try to put it on the door. Let's see if we could. Oh no, you can't. It's so hard, Grace. But it looks kind of blue, right? Okay, let's try this one. Let's try it. Okay, kind of did it. Okay, let's put some here because it's hard to put on the wall. So she could go ice skating. Go, Grace. Woo! She's going skating. Woo! Oh, it's so much fun to come and play at Hooverville. I'm skating on blue sugar. Woo! That's awesome. Are you having fun, Grace?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, kids, this is my house, Hooverville, and this is awesome. I love how it turned out, Grace. Wow, let's turn it around and see.
And you want to go outside and
Wow! Look at her sugar home. It's full of sugar, her ginger home.
I am not too thrilled about this cute gingerbread house.
Okay, kids, so this is the fun part. Now that our house is done, we get to eat it!
I get to look, become an alien.
Oh, Mr. Grinch is not too happy.
Mr. Grinch. Well, guess what I'm gonna eat, kids?
Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh, Grace, are you gonna have some too?
Yeah.
Are you gonna be sugar rush? Oh my gosh. It's good. What about you, Grace? Are you gonna have some?
Oh, too much for you. Oh, no. too
Yeah,
much.
she has too much candy in there.
It's good, kids. With milk would be nice.
I thought we were supposed to leave the gingerbread house for Santa. Oh no, Grace!
Oh, no, no.
Santa's gonna come and he's not gonna have his gingerbread house cookie.
Mr. Grinch is gonna be happy. I'm not too thrilled about this house. Oh, he's mad. Oh, Mr. Grinch is mad. Mr. Grinch is not too thrilled because the house is so cute. Bye-bye.
Oh no, he's leaving, Grace.
Wait.
What?
Look at the
I
gingerbread.
know it's so cute, that's why I don't like it.
Where's the girl?
She's out there playing around, having fun. I don't like that either.
It's time to say goodbye. We had so much fun building our Mr. Grinch gingerbread house. We had so much fun doing it, and it turned out pretty cute, right, Grace?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like us, and also click that bell to get notifications of all the new episodes. Clink, clink! If you want to keep watching more of Grace's Funhouse, click on the right on the left for more fun.